Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptics. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Bull Run token, or BRC. So to start, we want to see what it's based off of. It's based off of Binance, so we want to go to Binance and either buy some or exchange it with another cryptocurrency. Once we've done that, put it in a secure wallet. I prefer MetaMask at MetaMask.io. It's a safe place that you can store your cryptocurrency, and you want to make sure you go to MetaMask.io. Once you've done that, you want to head over to PancakeSwap, and then we just want to grab the information from BRC. So we're going to go ahead, copy this address, head back to PancakeSwap, paste it in. We can see BRC is here, and we hear the cool sound effect, and we're good to go. We can trade it for some Binance. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to know when we post more videos. If you enjoyed this, or if you have any questions, comments about this token, go ahead, put them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.